gonna route this and have a pilot flame on. And we're ready. We'll light this, and that'll just be going the entire time that we're driving. And then we'll just give it a little shot of this.
My grandpa has to go. He has helped tremendously with our steering setup, our wooden transmission, our wooden engine. So, Grandpa, we need you, before you go, you gotta see everybody else's car and just see what you think, and you can bring back information to me. But you gotta give a vote before you leave which one you think is the best.
Holy cow. That is a Cadillac on wheels.
Wow. Is this what you were expecting?
No, not quite like this.
Show you this, Gramps.
Good imagination. Now I know where all the chainsaw fuel went.
We're using it.
You used it.
Is that pretty different then?
Oh yeah, they're completely different.
Nice.
Night and day difference.
Tell everybody, which one do you think will win and which is your favorite? You've seen them all, they're 3/4 of the way done.
As far as the favorite goes, the best of the last.
Tyler's? Oh. Wait. No,
He's on your team and you didn't pick yours.